Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chimichurri from Argentina that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chimichurri, these are the ingredients. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 3 tablespoons of Mexican oregano, half a cup of hot water, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of red wine vinegar, 1 head of garlic, 3 bunches of parsley, fresh parsley, lemon. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing chimichurri at home. So let's get started. Of course, I want to start with the Mexican oregano, the chili flakes, the black pepper. I want to hydrate them really good. Adding the salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I am adding these ingredients first because I want them to get nice and hydrated, and I'm adding hot water to this. Of course, I'm giving you the option to use lemon juice or use the red wine vinegar. For this recipe, I am using the red vinegar, wine vinegar. Of course, I'm giving you 2 options. If you don't have the red wine vinegar, you could use lemon juice. Here, I want to make sure that I hydrate completely the Mexican oregano. So that's why I added first this with hot water. Now I'm adding the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and the vinegar. Well, here I am going to go ahead, put it aside, and I am going to start crushing every single garlic clove. And this is 1 head of garlic cloves. I'm going to crush them first so that I could really dice them really good. You want to make sure that you take your time when you start dicing your garlic cloves. You want to make sure that everything is really nice and diced in small little pieces so that the garlic really infuses this chimichurri from Argentina. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to fall in love with it, and it's always going to be in your refrigerator. Once everything is nice and diced in very small little pieces, then we are ready to add it to a little plate and then add it to all those delicious spices. Look at this. They're getting nice and hydrated. Even the liquid has changed color. Remember, my friends, the salt is to taste. But let me tell you, this chimichurri comes out amazing. When you less expect it, it's going to be time to be grilling outside. So that's why I started making this chimichurri. And this is fresh parsley that I'm going to dice in very small little pieces so that they really incorporate it really good with the rest of the ingredients. Look how beautiful, how green this parsley is. But this is exactly how you want it. When you have all the parsley diced in very small little pieces, you're going to add it to everything in this bowl. Look at this. You want to make sure that everything is coated with the virgin olive oil and the red wine vinegar. I am going to add, in addition, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil and half a cup of the red wine vinegar. Of course, remember, if you don't have the red wine vinegar, you could substitute it with lemon juice. It's going to taste amazing. And remember to taste it when you are done so that you could add a little more salt if it's needed. Remember that everything needs to be nice and coated, and there has to be enough liquid to cover all the chimichurri, all the delicious and fresh parsley. Make sure that you incorporate everything really good, and then add, in addition, the virgin olive oil and the red wine vinegar. And like I said, I'm adding half a cup of each one. Look at this. I am going to show you from close up how this looks. Of course, it's still a little dry, but once it's in the refrigerator for about 2 days, it's going to loosen up, get nice and moist, and you're going to be able to smell and taste the delicious flavor of all the spices and, of course, the fresh parsley. Look at this. Now I am ready to show you how thick, how the texture looks. Look at this. This is just amazing. The aroma and the combination of all the spices. Like I said, this is a authentic chimichurri from Argentina. I have this glass jar, which I already cooked in very hot water, dried it really good, and now I am ready to add my chimichurri right into it. Look at this. Remember, you need to let it rest in the refrigerator for about 2 days before you could really enjoy it and enjoy the amazing flavors of the chimichurri. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I am going to cover it with a plastic lid. I love using the plastic lid. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious chimichurri from Argentina, an authentic recipe that I know you guys are going to love. Prepare it, leave it in the refrigerator for 2-3 days, and then you are ready to enjoy it in grilled meat, in grilled chicken. You decide. But let me tell you, once you make it the way I made it, you're going to love it. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.